Market cycles. It's a term big investors use a lot to make wealth. They say that equity markets moves in a cycle, a boom, a time correction, or a bust. And after the bust, boom comes again like clockwork. And today, the biggest question is with regards to small cap stocks. Should we buy small cap stocks? So, are we through the worst times in the cycle after seeing 18 months of bear phase, and are we moving towards a bull phase? And of course, the start of 2026 has been painful for small caps. But the question is, are we near the bottom? Now, that is a question I will be trying to answer in this video and analyzing one small cap stock. I know a lot of investors who started their SIP in the last 3 to 4 years have invested maximum money in small cap stocks. And as a result of the last year's small cap correction, their portfolio is not performing well. So this video is very important for them as well. So today, we are not just going to answer the question. We are going to analyze a stock and understand things practically. Because what if this moment of maximum fear is actually the moment of maximum opportunity? Now look at this. This is the 12-year history of Nifty Small Cap 100, and there is a fascinating pattern, a secret rhythm that the market dances to. In 2014, small caps rallied a massive 52%, and what happened next? 2 years of silence, muted returns. Then in 2017, an explosion, an 86% rally, and right after, 2 years of negative returns. We saw it again in 2020 and 2021. Fantastic returns, followed by a year of underperformance in 2022. So, 1 or 2 good years, followed by 2 years of consolidation. So, it is a cycle. And the good news, we are in the consolidation phase where we have already passed 1 year. Now, you're probably thinking that Sanika, how is market consolidation a good news? Now, let me paint the picture for you. Imagine that you have always dreamt of owning gold bars, but for years the price of gold is at 2 lakh rupees, completely out of your reach. But suddenly the price crashes down to 70,000. Now you don't have unlimited money, you are in a race against time. You keep on thinking, please let the prices of gold be this much for the next few months. Let me get my next few salaries and accumulate max what I can at this price. Because you know, when the markets turn, gold will not just go back to 1.5 lakh rupees, it will soar up to 2 lakhs or even higher. So that is where we are with small caps today. The market is giving you the one thing you can never buy: time. Time to buy quality assets at a discount in good quantity slowly. Time to build your positions before the next bull run begins. And in the next bull run, many people might miss out on real money because they will buy good stocks but in the wrong quantity. Now you might get good stock ideas from my videos or other creators, but honestly, from a video alone, how can anybody tell you what is the exact quantity that you should buy according to your investment capital? If someone is investing 10,000 rupees, he should invest differently compared to someone who is investing 1 lakh rupees. And that is exactly why we have created the investment calculator in our model portfolio. Here, you just have to choose the portfolio, enter the investment amount. I'm entering 30,000 rupees and click on calculate investment. It will immediately show you what is the weightage of each stock and how much quantity you should be buying according to your investment capital. There is no guesswork over here. But wait, there is more. Now you can even rebalance the portfolio on our portal. Just start by saving the portfolio in user portfolio, then click on investment calculator, click on existing investment, select the portfolio, enter the cash amount, click on sync with portfolio, and it will immediately show you which stocks are underbought and which stocks are overbought in the portfolio. Now what to do about this overbought and underbought stocks? Just go down, enter the investment amount one more time and click on calculate allocation. And this calculator will show you which stocks you need to add in your portfolio to rebalance the portfolio. And most of the time, investors don't even realize that they need this rebalancing calculator until they miss out on returns or lose money. Because usually, what happens? People buy good stocks but in less quantity, and when the stocks start running up, they regret that why did I not buy the stocks in good quantity. So Rangavan Finance solves this problem. And honestly, by not subscribing to the model portfolio, you are missing out on proper allocation guidance and how much quantity to buy, timely updates, and rebalancing support. And remember, you are not just paying us for the stock names, you are paying us for outperformance and risk management. And now let's get back to the video. But the question is not just about buying any small cap, it is about finding a masterpiece in a gallery of fallen stocks. And I believe I have found one. Now, I've been tracking a company for the last few months, waiting for the right moment. And finally, in January, I have built my position. And the company or the stock name is KPI Green. So this company is in the solar power business, and their report card is something which you have to see to believe. Imagine a student getting the best report card ever, not just once, but 7 times in a row. So that is KPI Green for you. 7 straight quarters of record breaking income. So in the last 9 months alone, they made more money than the entire previous year, with revenue growing a massive 64%. So, where is this explosive growth coming from? See, it comes down to a story of a bottleneck, a breakthrough, and a bold new adventure. First, the breakthrough. Imagine building a brand new, super efficient factory, one that is ready to change the world. But there is one problem. The main road to the factory is not finished yet. You cannot ship anything out. So this was KPI Green's situation in their massive 240 megawatt solar farm in Khavda. The power was ready, but a crucial government substation wasn't. It was a huge bottleneck, but in December 2025, the switch was finally flipped. The power is ready and the money from that project is now set to pour in. Next, the adventure. KPI Green is going global. They have signed a monumental deal with the government of Botswana to build a 5 gigawatt renewable energy project. To put that into perspective, that is a multi-billion-dollar bet on the future of energy in Africa. And they are fast tracking it, aiming to build a 500 megawatts in just 2 years because the government there is rolling out the red carpet. And finally, they are building the ultimate power bank, a battery storage system that solves the biggest problem in solar. What happens when the sun goes down? So that is a huge game-changing business for India's energy grid. So you have record-breaking growth, a massive project finally coming online, a huge international expansion, a foray into a future-proof technology. The fundamentals are incredible. Sales have grown by 96% every single year for the last 3 years, and profits are up 95% annually over the same period. And yet, look at this chart. While the business was breaking the records, the stock is down 45% from its peak, and it has been consolidating for 18 months. The PE ratio, which is a measure of how expensive a stock is down to just 19. So this is the disconnect and this is the opportunity. You are getting a high growth, fundamentally strong company at a price that reflects the fear in the market and not the strength of the business. And I have seen this movie before with Acuitas right here on this channel. Now the stock consolidated for 8 to 9 months, testing everyone's patience. But then it broke out, rewarding those who held on to it with patience. So choosing the right stocks is not about timing the market perfectly. It is about having the conviction to buy quality when it is on sale and having the patience to wait for the cycles to turn. So this is not the time to panic and stop your SIPs. This is the time to be smart, to be brave, and to remember that fortune favors the patient. And the best time to build wealth is not when everyone is cheering, it is when no one is looking. So, this was Sanika from Rangavan Finance, and I will see you very soon in the next one. Till then, bye bye.